I'm going to be replacing this air compressor on this truck. But first we have to go up here to the hot side and put a adapter on here to test it to make sure that's actually the problem. Alright, so we took off the hot side, the top hot side hose of the air compressor. We're putting a gauge. There's the hole. We're going to put this gauge in here, turn the truck on and see what it does. If it goes to 150 psi, the compressor's good. If it only goes to about 50 or 60, it needs to be replaced. Alright, so we got this far. We took off the air governor right there, and the gear drive that goes in the back of the compressor, it's still connected, just hanging down there. Took off the charge air cooler piping. There's a couple more bolts holding the compressor. Just gotta undo these coolant lines, and then we should be good to go. There was also this plate that went back there. If you can see them, there's 2 bolt holes, and there's 2 bolts sticking out of the compressor that kind of bolted up to the block. Took that off. Now you undo these coolant lines and then remove it. And so we finally got it all out. There's where she sat. We had to disconnect a little bit more than we thought. We had to disconnect this bracket right here, flip it over and pull it out this way, like kind of like this, out of there. I'll show you. Here's the unit pulled out, and then here's the new one. Transfer those parts over. So here's the old one. So we got the new one here. We got all the fittings transferred over to this new one, and then now we're going to put it in. So the spider ring goes in like this. It only goes in one way, and it slides in, and this will slide into the motor. Got the compressor hooked up here. We actually had to take out the power steering pump just to get that gear to mesh up with this gear. It was easier to just undo this, put that in place, and then fit this in place afterwards. Alright, so we got the compressor back on, and the CAC tube is back on. Now we just have to put coolant in it, and then we should be good to fire it up. And okay. So we finally have pressure building. That's a good sign, and that's exactly what we wanted.